Next up, Mazrah's threat for crown. In this, we need to kill 7 AQ soldiers within 10 seconds of each kill on Mazrah. This mission is super simple to do. Obviously, you'll need a pretty powerful weapon and get some close kills together on Mazrah. Okay, so obviously for this mission where we need to kill 7 soldiers within 10 seconds of each kill, what you need to do is find a heavily populated area. It doesn't really matter. Okay, well, that was easy. So all you need to do for this is really just find a big squad of enemies to kill, and that's all you need to do. It's a very simple mission nonetheless, but it can be a bit difficult if you find yourself in a sticky situation. But of course, just playing the game usually you'll be able to finish this within no time. That's really it for this quick video, so thank you all for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.